Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good weekend so far. So today we are on Table Mountain. It's in Wrightwood, I believe, but it's east of Wrightwood. So we're around that area somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna walk this trail. It's a pretty good trail. And we're here, it's early, sun is rising. So got to see a deer go across. That was pretty cool. So yeah, so let's just make this hike a good one and continue to hit this trail and see what it has to offer. All right, I'll see you guys. Alrighty, we're continuing to go up per usual. The trail is pretty narrow so far. Couple bike tracks though that look pretty fresh. So I guess they do a lot of mountain biking up this way, or maybe coming down, just because how narrow the trails are. But I kind of like them more narrow because that way you kind of see what's on your left and your right. So having narrow trails isn't too bad. Just gotta watch for for snakes up ahead. But yeah, let's keep climbing and enjoy the views. All right, I will see you guys a little bit more up that way. Peace. we're continuing to head up. And so far, you know how I like to judge the hikes and things. This is another good one, because a lot of steep hills going up. Actually, the trail is very steep, kind of like the hike I had a couple weeks ago, where it's kind of going diagonal a little bit. But yeah, it's good. A lot of pretty big trees out here too that are falling down on the trail, I guess because it's kind of at a slant. So maybe they just fell over time, got heavy and weighed down. So yeah, so there's a lot of dead trees around here. And we're just gonna continue to go up, see the scenery, see the views. Because it's kind of cool when you climb up, you don't really notice that when you look back, how high you've really gone. It's kind of amazing, because you're just, you know, a forward mindset, let's go. But then when you decide to take a drink of water, stop real quick to enjoy the scenery, or if you see something off in the distance and you look back, you're like, wow, I went up pretty high. So let's continue to go up. I forgot how many feet we're going up, but I'll look on my phone and see just where we're going, or how high we're going. All right, let's keep marching. This trail's getting cool. Let's go, let's go. Alrighty, so we're still moving on up. So like I said earlier, I was gonna check where I'm at. So currently, as I'm walking or standing, we are at 7,000, 1,200 feet. So we climbed a lot from where we started down, basically on the ground. Our destination is 73,000, or excuse me, 73,000, wow. It's 7358. So we got about another 2 miles to go. And man, sorry, I'm a little off focus because these mosquitoes, they act like they know me. I mean, they're around. It's either mosquitoes, bees, or like those like bee looking mosquito things, some hybrid fly bee or whatever. Yeah, they're just kind of out right now, but probably because I'm the only person on the trail, so they're just looking for an easy snack, but I'm not that easy. Yeah, so let's just keep going, and we'll be at our destination soon. So I hope you guys are enjoying the hike as much as I am, because I'm really liking this one. It's really secluded. It was something that I looked up and did a little bit of research on hiking wise. When I'm all done with my hike, I think I actually have it navigated now to where I can post it up and show you exactly where I went, where I've been, you know, so you guys can see the trail. So if anybody ever wants to get on this trail or any trail that I go on, you could kind of see the coordinates of the trail and where I walked about, so you could kind of map that out to make sure you're going the right direction. All right, man, enough of that. You know me, I just like to talk, because being on the trail alone is cool, but I have no one to talk to, and except you guys. So here we go. So this is pretty cool. Like, we came across this old, I don't know, you see this little structure behind me, probably where they either kept, I don't know, I'd probably say horses if you're up this high. Could be cows, bulls, who knows, but I'd probably say horses. Little horse wrangler spot, you know, little secret spot over here. Yeah, it's pretty cool in here. It's, you know, we'll explore it a little bit and see what it has to offer. But again, it's pretty cool stumbling across it, as you can see. so we're up pretty high. I'll check my coordinates again. So we're probably about 72, 100 feet up. So we'll just keep going, you know, take a little break in here and just explore, because that's what I've been doing lately, going off trail and just kind of exploring. Nothing too crazy to where I'm gonna get lost. I try not to go that far, especially being alone. But yeah, let's see what this place has to offer. All right, so that was pretty cool. Stumbling across that. So let's just say if I was to get lost, at least I know if I run across those, that's not my midway point, but at least I know that's kind of like a landmark. So that's what I always try to do. Even when I drive places, I try to find like a landmark that kind of, you know, pokes out, and that way I'm able to know where I'm at. All right, so let's continue to go up. We're kind of close to our destination. As you can probably see right here now, I'm starting to climb. So yeah, let's just keep going up. See you at the top. Well, alrighty, we're just gonna go a little bit more. I'll probably just stay here for a little bit and enjoy the scenery. I'm gonna show you right now how high we are and just how beautiful it is. I mean, God's country up here. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go a little bit more down this way, and then I don't know, probably circle back around and start making my way back downtown. Heh, pun. All right, I'll see you as I'm going. So let's roll. Almost there. Alrighty, everybody. So I made it. Like I said earlier, I'll show the map of the trail that I took on the map. I'll post it at the end of the video so you can see. There's two ways you can go. Either or, you're gonna end up where I'm at. So right now I'm at the very, very top. The hike itself was really fun. Especially going a little bit off trail, not too far, just to check out certain things out in the distance. Yeah, but besides that though, we're up very high. I believe we're at our 73, 72 and some change, somewhere around there. Well, anyways, thank you guys again for coming. I hope you guys enjoyed it, you know, as much as I enjoyed hiking it. I wish you guys could be here in person because the camera doesn't catch the beauty that it really has when it's in person, you know. But again, thank you guys. Thank you guys that, you know, subscribe. Thank you guys for likes. Thank you guys for texting me, sending me DMs, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. And I'm definitely humbled and blessed to just start this channel, and it's doing pretty well for being out 6-7 weeks now. So I'm definitely thankful for that. So yeah, so take it in, take it all in. We're here. I'm just gonna sit here, relax, rest a little bit, have some water. Usually, like I like to say, meditate, reflect, pray. And yeah, again, thank you guys. And if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Help me out. That'll mean the world to me. And if you like this video, I think this is a good one. Definitely give me that thumbs up. So I like I said in my last video, get that algorithm going. I'm starting to see movement now, and people are starting to find me. So yeah, thank you guys. I mean, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and a blessed one at that. And I will catch you guys on the next adventure. You guys have a great one. Peace.